Hi. As you can tell, it's very sunny where I am because I'm on a vacation. And I would like to share with you some of the things that I like to do to have fun adventures while you're on vacation. And start off with a dive. So watch me teach you how to do diving. Walking. Relaxing. Hammocking. I'm gonna do hiding. Showers outside from the app. Hitting a gong. So I don't think I'm invited back to this vacation place because they said to me, sit down, and we're calling security, which I mean, so we can feel safe. But this is a really good adventure, and we'll have another one and find a new place for vacations.